By the end of this video, you're going to understand how to properly leverage Claude to generate a full, high probability winning meta ads campaign strategy, as well as creative angles and fully written copy for these ads. Let's jump into it. Now for this example, we'll be doing this for my online pickleball program, Transition Zone Pickleball. And the first thing that I would do is open up a new chat and put in something like this. If I wanted you to help me generate meta ads campaign strategy, as well as build out high converting, high quality copy that appears as if it was written by a top tier copywriter and marketer, what would be the best possible prompt I could give you? I want to make sure you scan my sales page, research my product, competitors, and their sales pages and strategies. Now, this is something I think a lot of people sleep on. You should be asking the tool the best way to prompt it for whatever your goal is. So in this case, before I go in and say, build me out a meta ads campaign strategy, I'm actually asking it what would be the best way to ask you this to get the best outputs. This is a cheat code that's super easy that a lot of people sleep on. So it's gonna go ahead and generate me this prompt. I will paste this exact prompt down below in the description. If you want to copy it, throw it into Claude, by all means, please feel free to do so. This is the exact prompt that I use myself. Now, as we can see, Claude has given us this prompt. And what I love about Claude is down here at the bottom, it has these reminders like before you paste it in, make sure to replace URLs. It gives you a full breakdown of what these angles are, why they're so important. And overall, it just gives you a very comprehensive breakdown. So what I'm going to do is take this prompt right here and just copy the whole thing and paste it into a new chat. So we'll come down here to the bottom, we'll click copy prompt, and I'm gonna open up a new chat, paste this in, fill in what needs to be filled in, and then we're gonna run it and see what it comes up with. So I've come in here and I have put my URL in as directed right here. That's really the only thing that we have to actually manually do. And as you can see, we can see Claude working in real time, doing all of this market research for us. This is stuff that typically we would have had to do on our own, but now it's taking care of all of it for us, and it's pulling in and extracting all of this information to craft the highest probability winning campaign strategy and copy. It's absolutely game changing. Hey, quick pause. If your ads and funnels aren't converting, it's probably because you're fixing the wrong things. I built a free tool that scans your ads and funnels, tells you what's broken and what to fix in under 2 minutes. Run your stuff through it, watch your conversions increase. It's totally free. All right, so it took about 4 or 5 minutes or so to compile all of this, but check out what we have here. We have this super detailed market research, campaign creation analysis, absolutely everything. Now, it's gonna break it down from top of funnel, give us our audiences, our objectives, our budget allocation, our creative directions. Then it's going to move into our middle of funnel, our bottom of funnel, our campaign angles. It's going to break everything down by our creative format recommendations, our budget allocation logic, our key performance indicators. Guys, this is stuff that you used to all have to do manually. These are things that you used to have a lot of reps with meta ads to understand all of this. You had to be a very high level marketer. The barrier to entry has pretty much been removed now that you can have a tool like Claude do this for you at a very high level. This has completely changed the game, and this is something you should absolutely be leveraging. And as you can see in here, these are very well written prompts and copy angles. Like, I really like this one right here. $99 for full year, that's $8.25 a month, less than a can of balls per session. This is using a great marketing tactic because it's comparing the price that they're paying to the price of something else they're already paying for and they're already justifying, and it's positioning it in a psychological way that makes it a no-brainer offer. So again, I'm gonna paste this prompt down below for you to use. Now, here's the next thing that you could do, because this is a lot right here. It's totally a gold mine, but it is a lot. So let's say we wanted to simplify this a little bit and you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed and you're like, all right, I just want to get my top of funnel campaign out with 3 different angles. Here's what I'd recommend you do. This is especially useful if you're a bit newer to meta ads. You can come in here and say something like, wow, this is great. I want to launch my tofu top of funnel campaign right now. I'm going to have 10 creative options to start. Give me the full top of funnel campaign / ad set breakdown. Tell me creative angles, top 3 copies to run, top 3 headlines to run, and break down my targeting and campaign objectives and anything else I need to know. And then if you're a beginner, you can tell it, I'm a beginner, so make it understandable for me and throw that in. Basically, what this is going to do is take and extract the information from this massive document that we have and just simplify it and boil it down to just our top of funnel campaign with the context that you are a beginner and you need to be able to easily understand this, and it's going to break it all down for you. All right, so as we can see in like 30 seconds, it's starting to give us all of this information, giving us 2 different ad sets we should run, giving us our interests, our locations, all of the relevant information, our placements, our different angles for creatives. And now, I don't necessarily, as an expert media buyer and meta ads media buyer, follow this to a T. There's some things that I personally don't do when it comes to the placements and whatnot, but that's because I have 10 years of experience doing this. If you're a beginner, you can just follow this exactly, and it will give you a really good shot at a high probability winning campaign, assuming you have an offer that people actually want. So this is the proper way to leverage Claude. You can come in here now and just follow these directions. You can paste everything that it's giving you for your copies, for your headlines, and this will remove like 95% of the barrier to running your meta ads. And I love that it even tells you things like you need to make sure your pixel and tracking are set up. So let's say you don't even know how to do that. Well, first you could watch the video of mine that I'll link down below on how to set all this up, or you could just ask Claude, hey, I don't know what my pixel and tracking is, and you can continue to work off of this prompt, because this first prompt that I've given you and we gave to Claude has now given us all of the relevant context and information. So anything that we ask it down the line is all going to be within that container. And this is a complete game changer. So again, it's down in the description below. Also, if you're running your ads, or if you want to make sure before you run your ads that your funnel you're sending traffic to is actually viable, check out my free custom built audit tools that I've linked down below. These are going to tell you if your funnel is worth sending traffic to, and if not, it's going to give you real world fixes and recommendations. And once you get your ads going, you can run your ads through it, and it will scan all of the information and tell you the actual fixes, changes, and recommendations that you should make. Guys, there has never been an easier time to sell products online, run highly successful ads, leveraging tools like Claude. All you have to do is make sure that you are leveraging them the correct way, and the prompt down below is the exact prompt that I have used to start and scale and leverage multiple online programs to 6 and 7 figures. So I can guarantee you that it works, assuming you have an offer that people actually want to buy. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like, consider subscribing. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Peace.